What's going on, everybody? It seems as if Grayscale is dumping ADA. They're removing Cardano from their GDLC. Charles Hoskinson is reacting. I want to react. I want to give you guys all of the news and information on this, give you guys my thoughts, what it means. Is it good? Is it bad? What's good or bad about it? And what is Grayscale thinking here in getting rid of Cardano from the GDLC? That is all going to be covered for you guys in this video. All I ask is go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe down below, and let's get into it. In response to Grayscale Investments' announcement regarding adjustments to its crypto portfolio, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, shared his opinion on the decision to remove Cardano from the Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. So every quarter, the GDLC, or Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund, gets shifted around and they move things in an order that they see fit. So right now, after removing Cardano, this is what it looks like. Bitcoin makes up about 71%. Ethereum comes in there at about 22%. Solana, 4.5%. XRP, 1.73%. And Avalanche around 1%. So if we head over to Twitter, right here, they had a thread on this just within the last 24 hours. I saw this yesterday. Their multi-asset products are designed to track CoinDesk's industry sector indices, and components are determined according to the methodology of each index. So it says here, Grayscale Digital Large Cap Funds fund components were a basket of the following assets and weightings. As a result of the rebalancing, Cardano ADA has been removed. At the end of the day, Grayscale DeFi funds were a basket of the following assets. No new tokens were added. So this is what Grayscale is holding in their DeFi fund. Uniswap, MakerDAO, Lido DAO, which is interesting. A good portion of Lido. This is liquid staking on Ethereum. Of course, K9 Finance doing that for Shibarium. That's why we're so bullish on that if you're part of the SHIB ecosystem. Aave and then Synthetics, also a part of that. Now, we've also got Grayscale smart contract platform where Cardano's still in it. Okay, so Cardano was dumped from the large cap fund, but they're still here in the smart contract platform X Ethereum fund. Now, Cosmos has been removed from this. That's ticker symbol ATOM. But as you guys can see, Solana's up top there of their holdings. Here's Cardano coming in at roughly around 15%. Avalanche, Polkadot, and Polygon, all part of their smart contract fund as well. We can learn a lot with the big dogs and what they're doing, right? I think it's really important we always kind of keep a pulse on what the Grayscales, the big people who really are movers and shakers, what they're doing. So that's kind of the update to Grayscale in terms of their rebalancing. And Charles Hoskins said, Wall Street give, Wall Street take. Grayscale, the world's largest crypto asset manager, conducted a comprehensive review based on that CoinDesk large cap index methodology. And his reaction, that was Hoskinson saying, Wall Street give, Wall Street take, puts lights on the uncertain nature of investment strategies and fluctuations within crypto. Keep in mind, guys, that as things move along, they're rebalancing every quarter, right? So this could change again. Cardano could become part of this large cap fund again, okay? And effective April 3rd, that's their revised portfolio that we went over. Grayscale has made strategic adjustments to maintain diversified portfolios. And again, they still have exposure to Cardano. However, the company has received some comments from the media regarding the lack of updates on its Bitcoin holdings. The latest update from April 1st, shared by Look On Chain, highlights this issue. So what does this mean for Cardano? What does it mean for it in the context of the overall cryptos? Of course, Cardano's still here in the top 10, ranked number 9, bleeding out a little bit with the rest of the market, down about 15% in the last week. But I don't think it fundamentally changes anything about ADA. I know Cardano's been a slow mover. I know a lot of people have been frustrated with that. But this was the same thing that happened in 2021, and Cardano still had a phenomenal bull run, phenomenal top that it hit. It's just a mover that kind of does its own thing. And Cardano is, again, I've made this comparison in the past. It's not a fast horse. It's a horse with endurance. They do things a lot slower and more methodical than some of these other layer ones like Ethereum and Solana. Because of that, I think the price lags. But I'll go back to say something that's been, really talked about a lot here the last couple of days. If you've watched my videos on Cardano, which if you're not yet subscribed, make sure you do that. Largest TVL number in all of crypto, guys, more than anything else. That's how much confidence the biggest holders have in Cardano. The development activity ranks up there with the best of the best. So it's not always just price, right? If this is a long-term asset for you, you have to look at on-chain data. You have to look at TVL. You have to look at things that are important metrics to understand where the network is it being used? Are developers building? And how does this going to impact the future? Because there's a lot of other layer one blockchains where the price might be doing okay, but there's nothing happening on chain. There's no development happening. All that means is those blockchains are pumping their bags. They're just feeding the charts. Cardano's not feeding the charts. This is organically driven by the active users that are coming here. We're still a top 10 crypto. I firmly believe still Cardano's going to have a great bull run. And that's the update. So I'm not here to create any fear. I'm not going to get all up in arms about this. I'm not going to go sell my Cardano now because Grayscale has rebalanced their balance sheet. Is it important to watch? Certainly. And that's why I highlight on this video what Grayscale's doing, because we can learn from that. But at the end of the day, you still have to have your own conviction. You still got to go your own way after getting the necessary information from these sources. So right now the price is kind of stuck. I was looking at SHIB here a little bit ago, but if we look at ADA before we get up on out of here, just want to give you guys a couple things to look at. We have broken down to about 57 cents. This is where we had a momentum up trigger last time on the indicator. By the way, you could have quickly made 15% right here, just buying here and selling right here. This is how easy the trading indicator is to use. This thing is so freaking beneficial, guys. I can't even tell you how awesome this thing is. Now, we're looking like we might come down a little bit more, but be ready for when this next momentum up flashes like this one back here. Look at this. 93% move. You could have been just trading ADA and buying at the right spots here, buying at 25 cents, buying at 56 cents, right? These are your buying opportunities. Imagine buying at 25 cents and 56 cents. Your dollar cost average would have been great. You're at 57 cents right now. So be ready for this next opportunity. If we come back down here to 45 cents or we break down to 50 cents, be ready because we're going to reverse from there when Bitcoin and Ethereum get strength. And I think Cardano will move up then quickly with the rest of the market and be off and running when this thing really heats up. So if you want the best entry points, it's XT Algo, guys. I talk about this thing every single day. It's Friday. We're heading into the weekend. If you want to start your week off with a new tool, use it for a month. You can get a refund at the end of the month if you don't like it. We offer 30-day money-back guarantee. So literally try it risk-free today for $37, not $47 a month, for $90 for 3 months, $90. Give it a shot. I'm telling you guys, it'll help you a lot with your crypto investing. Appreciate you guys for watching. And I'm not worried, ADA holders. I'm not worried at all right now. Let me know how you're feeling about the Cardano and Grayscale news, the rebalancing, Cardano getting out of the main fund. Let me know what you guys think down below. Appreciate you guys.